Hello people. So this is my 10th video of the day, and I have to say this people that even while shooting these videos, while I'm writing the title of the video, I feel like I'm being guided. Like you write this words, this will get more like like a clickbait really, but no, yeah, clickbait is. I feel like I said, spreading of the idea of veganism, and it's a higher calling. It's this thing, so I can sense that the universe is also coming together and to make a difference. So my God, I'm just getting so emotional when I speak about all this because it suddenly makes one realize that one is not alone on this planet, and like in terms of sometimes when you are going through the struggles of life, you feel that all alone, you don't feel like anybody's watching over you, but apparently there is that higher power or higher being, and with regard to all of this itself, it is guiding me that this is how you should speak, and this is how because more people get aware of these ideas, more we can spread our teachings, and it's we can make a difference on this planet. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.